Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you, see, I'm showing you what to do with the instant noodles. These are not so instant. This is the second in a three-part series right in the middle of a meat and manufacture, which I kind of regret, but you know, it's just like I gotta get them done because they're fresh. And these are from Ramen Hero. Go to ramenhero.com and say, hey, I need some noodles delivered to my door overnight from San Francisco, and then they're boom! There you go. They were kind enough to shoot these over for me to review. They've got a couple new vegan varieties. This one is called Hippie Van. Hippie Van! This is their vegan shoyu ramen. Oh! So there you go. Let's make this happen. So you take, it's a big Ziploc bag. For those of you keen on Ziplockable bags, or reclosable bags as they're called in the industry, this one is sure to please every last one of you. Now look, you can go like that. Boom! It's a keeper. You can save it. Save it! Alright. So we got seaweed. One thing I'll say, and this has just happened to me because I just did the previous episode momentarily ago. That was the garnish, and this is the soup base. Okay, alright, got it, good. And I'm gonna do it for 5 minutes. That worked fine. But the seaweed, it's like I need to like duct tape it to my head, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that has this. If you don't use it, you don't use it. And I bet you if they put them in a little bright orange thing and drilled into people's heads, don't forget the freaking nori, you'd be good. But it's easy to forget. And I remember when I did the original review series of these guys' stuff like a year and a half ago, I did the same thing. I kept forgetting, like, oh yeah, I need to use this stuff. Crap. Enough said about that. We all make mistakes, don't we? Well, maybe not all of us. Anyways. Let's be winners. Let's all be winners. Instant winner! Hey! Instant winner, 160 to 84 count box, signature home or signature coach select, ultra soft facial tissues. Yay! My wife has allergies, so do I. Alright. Won 4-pack of light bulbs the other day, but they don't have 4 packs of light bulbs. 50 cents off Best Foods or Hellman mayonnaise. Oh, I've been bad lately. I'm swearing off the mayonnaise. I think I probably had about a cup of mayonnaise and 3 ham sandwiches yesterday. No, more like 6. But once the bad food's gone, it's not coming back. Maybe the beer will. I've enjoyed a couple really, really good beers lately. And I generally don't drink beer, but when I do, I enjoy No Lie Brewery Wrecking Ball 22-ounce Imperial Stout. And it's pretty imperial, yo. More 50 cents off mayonnaise. Yeah, No Lie Brewery Imperial Stout has got the ABV that I'm looking for and the chuggability. Actually, it's not really chuggable. It's like, it'd be like, it's really nice and stout. Thick, sturdy beer. 50 cents off International Delights Creamer. Well, well, well. But yeah, what's going on in your neck of the woods? Everything fun? Instant winner, 2 game tickets. Yeah, they give me tons of them. Might be getting at that point in the game where they start giving you out like a whole box of them. And I think I'm at that point in my life where I would sit and just peel them to get the instant wins. Go there with like 50 of them and like, yeah, I need to cash these out. Get like 40 toothbrushes, a bunch of more tickets, 50 donuts, 20 bagels, and 50 cents off mayonnaise till the cows come home. Well, we only got a minute to go. We're not even cooking the noodles currently. We're just cooking the, heating up the free Shutterfly reusable shopping bag. Yeah, we use reusable shopping bags. But dig this. This I really don't understand. I think it was to 50 cents off Honey Nut Cheerios. Because they know that people are just gonna lose their freaking minds because of the whole COVID thing. What did they do? What was like the first thing the freaking mayor of Kenmore does? Well, I think we can make it now so people don't have to use the, we can have the single-use plastic bags again. It's like, what? That's like the first thing you did. You didn't go and say, in the city of Kenmore, anybody who works with the public has to wear gloves, or anybody who works in the city of Kenmore that works with the public has to, you know what I mean? It's like, no, stop. Plastic bags. Your day is here. It just didn't make any sense to me. I still am at a loss, but I guess that's just me. Ooh, can I put my fingers in there? That water's boiling. Ah, shit. What I need is a pair of tongs. I do. Yeesh. Oh, I didn't need those fingers though. Man, that hurt. My poor fingers. It sounds kind of like reggae, but it doesn't at the same time, you know what I mean? Oh, now I've offended it and the music went away. Oh. Today I went on my walk, my morning walk. There's a morning walk and an afternoon walk. Morning walk, I walk around and I yammer with Stumpy from Arkansas. You remember Stumpy in that one actually, we'll have to get him on again to do another interview episode. But yeah, old Stumpy's going to college. And he does all his stuff online, of course, in Little Rock, Arkansas. What a mess. What a messy thing. But I don't know, I'm kind of messy. So it might not be the fault of the thing. It might be user error, and more often than not, I think that's the deal. So I apologize. You know, perhaps, yeah, usually. Anyway, I went around. The sun came up, and I took some nice pictures of of Lake Washington with the sun and the sun reflecting in the water, and then I took a bunch of pictures of a lot of graffiti around, which was pretty cool. Which will be replaced with like a white rectangle spray painted all over it, but you know, whatever. I've often kind of fantasized to myself about the idea of like going and there's a train, you know, it used to be train tracks and then they make it a trail. It's called the Burt Gilman Trail. I'm going and like getting one of those Magnum Sharpies and just like doing like an enormous fresco in the in one of the underpass things. But I don't know. I'd do it if it was going to be something that people would appreciate, but people are cranky, man. I'm cranky. Well, not anymore. This is happening music. So now it's time for the noodles. Drain. Okay. This one's pretty, I mean, it's pretty 80s, but, you know, that's okay. So this is another vegan one, and it's a shoyu, which makes it really hard for it to be, for me to put chashu in it, you know what I mean? That's kind of, what do you call it? Sacrilegious, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to give this a try pre-garnish, pre-supplied garnish, that is. Let's see, can you see this? Yeah. I've got the seaweed sitting next to me. Cheers. Ah! I've got a Ramen Hero spoon. I'm intrigued. That's where I'm leaving it. I'm intrigued, but it's kind of got a bitterness to it that I can't really get with. Kind of 0 for 2 on this. It really bums me out. I want to be like 4 for 4. I don't know. There's this one is the shoyu, and then there's going to be another miso, which is a caramelized onion miso, and I have a feeling that's going to be the one where I go like, oh yeah, now we're talking. A lot of the time when I have stuff that's supposed to be vegan, I'm just like, bye-bye. So it might be the deal with that. But then again, there's a lot of vegan people who hang out and they enjoy being vegan. So, you know. I could be wrong. I could be right. I could be irritating the hell out of vegan people. I don't care, you know. Whatever I'll be doing, I'll be being honest about it, that's for sure. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. So that's my thing. I really wish I knew what this was, though. But it's really good. It's kind of like a vegan, I guess, sausagey kind of deal. It's good. It's really good. It reminds me of, what do you call it? Oh, there's a brand that made it, because I remember one point I made vegan biscuits and gravy a long time ago. It was pretty good. It was like, and there's I can't believe it's not butter, and it's like, let's pretend this is sausage. Little seeds. I'm gonna do a gonna do a sprinkle of instead of, come on, where is it? Yeah. Instead of shichimi, I'm just gonna use some pepper flake because that might look a little nicer. There you go. Well, and yeah, last time I did all the garnish I ate separately, so. And I'm not putting on the nori right now because if I did that right now, by the time I got it over for the pre-picture, it would be a dilapidated, shriveled, dead piece of seaweed. So I'll wait on that for now. But let's have a little bit of time with Rotato, the magical rotating plate. Something you'll enjoy. All right. In a moment. You'll enjoy it in a moment. There you go. Alright, well, I like this one better than the vegan miso. And then the next one is going to be a caramelized onion non-vegan miso. So, first was second was maybe the third one's going to be yeah. So, stay tuned. Another one tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace out.